Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these peanut butter cookies. They're kind of like a peanut butter shortbread. They're so soft and I just love them so much. Here's the list of ingredients, so let's get started. Let's add our flour, baking powder, and cinnamon and mix that all together. And in another bowl, add in your butter and your sugars and cream that together. And now we're just going to be adding our peanut butter and mixing that till smooth. Now add in your egg. Mine happened to be a double yolker. Don't worry, it's not 2 eggs, just 1. And now add in your vanilla and mix that together. And now we're just going to be adding our dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And I'm just sifting my dry ingredients over the wet ingredients and mixing it together. And now we're just going to be using 1 tablespoon of cookie dough per cookie and just rolling it into a ball and placing it on the cookie sheet. And now press them down by making an X and place them in the oven at 350 for 11 minutes. And then just leave them on the pan to cool for 5 minutes before transferring them to the cooling rack. And that's what they look like when they're all finished. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you make it, let me know in the comments what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Bye!